everyone, it's Ashley from Shoes of Hollywood. I have a pair of heels to unbox today. These are a pleaser heel. As you can see, they come in a lovely red box with your butterflies. This is the barcode over here, so FLAMINGO-809. You are able to Google search that barcode there, or search pleaser heels near me if you're wanting to purchase. So they come all wrapped in their little dust bags. These are a hot pink 8-inch heel. So these have a hot pink ankle strap with a little buckle on the side here. They also have the really soft hot pink sole with the gold pleaser detail, and these are like a shiny hot pink. It has the grippy bottom, of course, and these are stunning. Let's have a look at the next one. So again, this one comes all wrapped. These have an open toe at the front, of course, and they are beautiful. I'm excited to try these on. With the ankle strap, it's very easy to get on and off. The hot pink is very bright. And the ankle strap just goes across like that. We'll pop the next one on. Perfect. All right, let's stand and see how these feel. Feel nice and tall in these heels. Go for a little. So I am a size 8 in heels, and I believe these are true to size. So if you are a size 8, then I would recommend getting your size 8. These are a 38 euro size if you're in Europe. I'm going to sit down now. I'm going to take off these heels. If you do like these video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.